In this lesson, we will explore inventory in healthcare and pharmaceuticals, a highly specialized area of inventory management where precision, compliance, and reliability are critical. In these sectors, inventory control is not just about cost and efficiency. It's directly tied to patient safety, treatment effectiveness, and regulatory compliance. Healthcare and pharmaceutical organizations handle a wide range of inventory types, including medicines, medical devices, surgical instruments, vaccines, and disposable supplies. Managing these items efficiently requires strict control over storage conditions, expiration dates, and traceability to ensure the right products are available when needed. One of the biggest challenges in healthcare inventory management is demand uncertainty. Patient volumes, emergency situations, and seasonal illness outbreaks can fluctuate dramatically, making accurate forecasting difficult. Hospitals and pharmacies must balance having enough stock to meet urgent needs without overstocking items that could expire or become obsolete. Expiration management is a top priority. Many medical products, particularly drugs and vaccines, have strict shelf life requirements. Expired inventory not only leads to financial loss, but also poses serious health risks if administered. Automated tracking systems using barcode and RFID technology help monitor expiration dates, issue alerts, and ensure first expiry, first out (FO) rotation of stock. Regulatory compliance is another critical factor. Healthcare organizations must adhere to strict government and industry regulations, such as the FDA's Good Distribution Practices (GDP) and Good Manufacturing Practices (GMP). These standards require accurate documentation, traceability, and quality assurance across the supply chain. Failure to comply can result in penalties, product recalls, or even loss of operating licenses. Temperature-sensitive products such as vaccines, insulin, and certain biologics require cold chain management. Maintaining proper temperature during storage and transportation is essential to preserve product integrity. IoT-enabled sensors and real-time monitoring systems track temperature conditions continuously, sending alerts if deviations occur. Inventory classification plays an important role in prioritizing control efforts. Critical items such as emergency drugs or life-saving equipment must always be available and are often tracked with higher frequency. Non-critical or low-use items can be managed with less intensity to optimize resource allocation. In healthcare facilities, automated inventory management systems integrated with electronic health records (EHR) provide real-time visibility of stock usage linked to patient treatments. This integration improves accuracy, reduces manual errors, and enhances accountability. For example, when a nurse administers a medication, the system automatically updates inventory levels, ensuring data accuracy and traceability. Pharmaceutical companies face additional challenges in managing inventory across global supply chains. Counterfeit prevention, serialization, and batch tracking are essential to ensure authenticity and patient safety. Regulatory frameworks such as the Drug Supply Chain Security Act (DSCSA) in the United States mandate end-to-end traceability from manufacturer to patient. Collaboration with suppliers and distributors is vital to maintaining a resilient supply chain. Vendor-managed inventory models, predictive analytics, and AI-based demand forecasting help ensure consistent availability while minimizing wastage. During global health crises or pandemics, these systems play a crucial role in preventing shortages and optimizing distribution. Sustainability is also gaining importance in healthcare inventory management. Reducing waste, optimizing packaging, and implementing green logistics practices contribute to both environmental responsibility and cost savings. In summary, inventory management in healthcare and pharmaceuticals is a delicate balance between efficiency, compliance, and safety. By leveraging automation, data analytics, and regulatory best practices, organizations can ensure reliable access to critical products while maintaining the highest standards of patient care and operational excellence.